Okay, I'll give you a tiny bit of this. It should help you sleep.
What is it?
It's cough syrup. It's not really for kids, but a capful is pretty harmless.
Oh, so this is what Lil Wayne keeps almost dying from. Oh, this is so relaxing. I could get used to this, like the way I got used to wearing European diapers.
Stewie, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, Brian. Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over the table for you. You know, I'm going to tell you, this stuff you gave me was a lifesaver last night. I was out like a light. And, you know, normally I'm up 5 or 6 times to scream and defecate. But you know what? I slept straight through.